So here we're given that angle 1 and angle 2 form a linear pair. If you add measurement of angle 2, measurement of angle 3, plus the angle measurement of angle 4 equals to 180. Just prove that angle 1, the measurement of angle 1 is equal to measurement of angle 3 plus measurement of angle 4. Where you're always starting is always the given. Then here you have supplementary. So the supplementary here comes from it being a linear pair. So 1 and 2 do form a linear pair. From linear pairs, you can then say they're supplementary. From supplementary, you can then say they're equal to 180 degrees. That's what line C is. That would be the definition of supplementary angles. From there, something does get replaced, so it is substitution. Then from substitution, we know that angle 2 has to be to angle 2. They do that so you can basically subtract, but that's the reflexive. Then the last one, it's addition, postulate of inequality, or you can just say also here subtraction. And the reason why it's subtraction is because the angle 2's and the angle 2's here canceled.